the last day with Peppa and George is cruise ship holiday. But, oh no, I don't want to go home yet, Granny. It's too go, it's too, that's well, it's too fine. Oh, good. It's it done. Good. Let's go. Wow, the bed cabin is too. Let's go. Granny Pig is two. It's go home. It's two. It's Grandma. Oh no, it's Peppa in here. Two. Here is. Here it go. This is the Clinic Dinosaur Cafe. It's finished. Oh no, here it is. This is the musical in the show. It's go. Feathering. It's finished. Go there. It's better where to go this year there. It's fine there. Thank you. Here. Who are the pirate here? It's go weird. It's too weird. It go. It's two. It's one. It's swimming. It's go weird. No. Dirt. No. Peppa is the dinosaur cafe. No, Peppa is the soft plane. The city mall is gowered. It's too gowered. It's wall. It's jungle is too wait here. It's not the badminton game or the bookshop. Here it is. It's go weird. I called Mommy Daddy. It's go weird. Here it is too. And pirate here too. Here it is too. It's go weird. It's just two. It's go weird here and got in. Say goodbye to the potato. Oh, that's from George. We got another pierce. And just in do. It's two away will do. And got away is two way dirt. The cruise ship is sailing all the way home. Thank you, Funny. Thank you, Captain Order. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you next time. Please come again. I can't wait to see the Mommy and Daddy and come too. Press down thing. It's go where? It's still where? It's what? It's Granny here. It got to well. It's cruise ship is gold. That was is this time everything. Peppa loves cruise ship holiday. Everyone loves cruise ship holiday.